If you're an environmentalist, you need to hear this. Our polar ice is vanishing at an alarming rate. On September 11th, Arctic sea ice hit its annual low, marking the seventh lowest on record. This isn't just numbers. It's a clear sign of rising global temperatures. And the consequences are massive. Arctic ecosystems are being disrupted, weather patterns are shifting, and global sea levels are rising. Even new shipping routes and resource extraction opportunities are emerging, but at what cost? And it's not just the Arctic. Antarctic sea ice is also plummeting, hitting record lows for this time of year. Scientists are racing to understand why, but one thing is clear. Our planet is in trouble. This is a wake-up call. We need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and switch to sustainable energy sources. Protecting our ecosystems and investing in resilient infrastructure is crucial. Let's act now to ensure a sustainable future for all. Subscribe for more updates and join the fight against climate change. The time is now.